Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Markedminutes 2BU. In today's video we will be summarizing achievements of ChatGPT in points 1 to 9. So let's start the video, from debut to stardom, ChatGPT's awe-inspiring achievements in just 11 months.
Envision an AI that not only mirrors your language, but delves into the depths of context, understands nuance, and effortlessly embraces humor. This isn't a forecast of the future, no longer just a futuristic concept. It's the awe-inspiring reality that ChatGPT presents, captivating minds in an instant. Summarizing achievements of ChatGPT in points from 1 to 9. Brief evolution of ChatGPT. GPT-1, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 1. Introduced in 2018, GPT-1 was the first iteration. It had 117 million parameters and demonstrated the capability of unsupervised learning on diverse language tasks. GPT-2, released in 2019, GPT-2 was a significant leap with 1.5 billion parameters. It showed improvements in generating coherent and contextually relevant text. Due to concerns about its potential misuse, OpenAI initially limited access but later released the full model. GPT-3, launched in June 2020, GPT-3 marked a substantial advancement with 175 billion parameters. It demonstrated remarkable language understanding and generation capabilities, performing well on a wide array of tasks without task-specific training. ChatGPT 3.5 architecture is an enhanced version of GPT-3. It incorporates improvements in handling context, generating more coherent responses, and refining language understanding compared to the earlier GPT-3 model. GPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. GPT-4 outperforms ChatGPT by scoring in higher approximate percentiles among test takers. GPT-4 is available on ChatGPT Plus and as an API for developers to build applications and services. The new subscription plan, ChatGPT Plus, available for $20 per month, and subscribers will receive a number of benefits. These models represent the progression in size, complexity, and performance within the GPT series. Introduction. ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a large language model based chatbot launched on November 30, 2022 by San Francisco-based OpenAI, the creator of initial GPT series of large language models, DALL-E 2, a diffusion model used to generate images, and Whisper, a speech transcription model. The service was initially free to the public, and the company had plans to monetize the service later. By December 4, 2022, ChatGPT had over 1 million users. By January 2023, it had become what was then the fastest growing consumer software application in history, gaining over 100 million users and contributing to OpenAI's valuation growing to $29 billion. ChatGPT was released as a freely available research preview, but due to its popularity, OpenAI now operates the service on a freemium model. It allows users on its free tier to access the ChatGPT 3.5 based version. GPT 3.5 based version. In contrast, the more advanced GPT-4 based version and priority access to newer features are provided to paid subscribers under the commercial name ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT's release spurred the development of competing products, including Bard, Ernie Bot, Llama, Claude, and Grok. Microsoft launched its Bing Chat based on OpenAI's GPT-4. Description: what is ChatGPT? To begin with, let's talk about what ChatGPT actually is. At its core, ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text responses. Think of it as a virtual conversation partner capable of engaging in text-based conversations on a wide range of topics. How ChatGPT works? So how does ChatGPT work? Well, it's all about training. ChatGPT has been trained on an enormous amount of text data from the internet, which helps it understand language, context, and the nuisance of human conversation. It uses a deep neural network to generate responses, making it seem like it's understanding and producing human-like text. Features: ChatGPT is based on particular GPT foundation models, namely GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. Although a chatbot's core function is to mimic a human conversationalist, ChatGPT is versatile. Among countless examples, it can write and debug computer programs, compose music, tell plays, fairy tales, and student essays, answer test questions, sometimes depending on the test, at a level above the average human test taker, generate business ideas, write poetry and song lyrics, translate and summarize text, emulate a Linux system, simulate entire chat rooms, play games like tic-tac-toe, or simulate an ATM. Compared to its predecessor, InstructGPT, ChatGPT attempts to reduce harmful and deceitful responses. Unlike most chatbots, ChatGPT remembers a limited number of previous prompts in the same conversation. Journalists have speculated that this will allow ChatGPT to be used as a personalized therapist. In March 2023, OpenAI added support for plugins for ChatGPT. This includes both plugins made by OpenAI, such as web browsing and code interpretation, and external plugins from developers such as Expedia, OpenTable, Zapier, Shopify, Slack, and Wolfram. Basic service. The service works best in English, but also functions in some other languages, to varying degrees of accuracy. No official peer-reviewed paper on ChatGPT has been published. As of April 2023, ChatGPT is blocked by China, Iran, North Korea, and Russia. In addition, ChatGPT co-fences itself to avoid doing business in Iran, North Korea, and Russia. ChatGPT Plus Premium service. In February 2023, OpenAI launched a premium service, ChatGPT Plus, that costs $20 a month. The company promised that the updated but still experimental version of ChatGPT would provide access during peak periods, no downtime, priority access to new features, and faster response speeds. Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't just a cool AI experiment. It has practical applications in various fields. For instance, it can be used in customer support to answer common questions, assist in content creation, or even help with language translation. It's a versatile tool that can be customized for different tasks: online learning, content creation, or personal assistance. Limitations and concerns. No, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. ChatGPT has its limitations. It can sometimes generate incorrect or biased information because of the data it was trained on. Addressing these concerns and ensuring the responsible use of AI is an ongoing challenge. Future of ChatGPT. So, what's in store for the future of ChatGPT? OpenAI and other organizations are continually working to improve AI models, like this one. This groundbreaking model has driven progress in AI development and spurred transformation across a wide range of industries. But the journey is far from over. We can expect more advanced and safer versions in the coming years, which will have an even broader range of applications. Each milestones bring us closer to a future where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our productivity, creativity, and communication.
As I wrap up now, ChatGPT is a new chapter in AI's story. ChatGPT's journey from concept to influential AI model exemplifies the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. As we move forward, we can expect ChatGPT and similar AI-powered chatbots to continue shaping our world in an unexpected and exciting ways, empowering the world for the better. Do check out my other informative video, Evolution of Artificial Intelligence and its 5 stages, by clicking on above I button. If you found this video informative and engaging, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel Markedminutes to be you. And if you have questions or any suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for your time.